Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the OMTech Spectra, a 3+ UV flatbed printer. This beast of a machine has been making waves in the printing community, and I'm here to give you the lowdown on its incredible features and benefits. From its lightning-fast printing speed to its stunning print quality, this printer is a game-changer for anyone looking to take their printing business to the next level. First off, let's talk about the printing efficiency of the OMTech Spectra, a 3+ UV flatbed printer. With a commercial printing speed of 2.4 meters per hour, this machine can help you complete more orders faster than ever before. The printhead speed of 400 millimeters per second and acceleration of 1,770 millimeters per second make it one of the fastest printers in its class, allowing you to improve your daily production efficiency and take on more projects without sacrificing quality. Imagine being able to print high-quality products at an incredible speed, giving you a competitive edge in the market. Whether you're a small business owner or a large enterprise, this printer is designed to help you meet your printing needs and exceed your customers' expectations. Now, let's dive into the professional print quality and ink technology of the OMTech Spectra, a 3+ UV flatbed printer. This machine supports CMYK plus white plus gloss/varnish printing, which means you can create stunning, high-quality prints with vivid colors and strong surface abrasion resistance. The open ink platform and professional UV inks used in this printer deliver excellent adhesion durability, making it perfect for printing on a variety of materials, including wood, acrylic, metal, glass, and leather. And the best part? You're not locked into expensive proprietary ink systems, giving you the freedom to choose the inks that work best for your business. With this printer, you can create high-quality commercial products that will impress your customers and set you apart from the competition. Another feature that really stands out is the large format desktop printing capability of the OMTech Spectra, a 3+ UV flatbed printer. With a printing area of 13.8 by 17.7 inches and a print height of 5.5 inches, you can print directly on a wide range of materials, expanding your customization business opportunities. Imagine being able to print custom phone cases, wood signs, acrylic displays, and more, all from the comfort of your own workshop or office. The possibilities are endless, and this printer makes it easy to bring your creative vision to life. Whether you're a hobbyist or a seasoned pro, this printer is designed to help you unlock your full potential and take your printing business to new heights. The OMTech Spectra, a 3+ UV flatbed printer, also features smart and easy printing technology, making it a breeze to use and operate. With AI HD image optimization, automatic background removal, and one-click white ink and gloss printing, you can reduce manual adjustments and improve your workflow efficiency. This means you can focus on what really matters, creating amazing prints and growing your business. The printer also includes automatic printhead cleaning and a protective white ink circulation system, which helps reduce clogging risk and keeps the printheads in healthy working condition. And with GRE and GUARD Gold certified low VOC inks, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're using a safe and environmentally friendly printing solution. In conclusion, the OMTech Spectra, a 3+ UV flatbed printer, is an absolute powerhouse of a machine that can take your printing business to the next level. With its incredible printing efficiency, professional print quality, and large format desktop printing capability, this printer is a must-have for anyone looking to create high-quality prints and grow their business. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to learn more about this amazing printer and start creating stunning prints today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your printing business to new heights. Get your OMTech Spectra, a 3+ UV flatbed printer now, and start printing your way to success.